For 6 months, the days have grown shorter and the nights have grown longer in the northern hemisphere. But that's about to reverse itself. Winter solstice 2020, the shortest day of year and the official start of winter, is on Monday, December 21st. How it all works has fascinated people for thousands of years. First we'll look at the science and precise timing behind the solstice. Then we'll discover some ancient traditions and celebrations around the world, though many of 2020's celebrations are being cancelled or modified for the pandemic. Finally, we'll learn about a delightful show in the heavens special for Winter Solstice 2020. The science and timing behind a winter solstice. The winter solstice marks the shortest day of the year in the northern hemisphere, when the sun appears at its most southerly position, directly overhead at the faraway Tropic of Capricorn. The situation is the reverse in the southern hemisphere. There, the December solstice marks the longest day of the year, and the beginning of summer in places such as Argentina, Australia and South Africa. When exactly does it occur? The solstice usually, but not always, takes place on December 21st. The time that the solstice occurs and the day itself shifts because the solar year, the time it takes for the sun to reappear in the same spot as seen from Earth, doesn't exactly match up to our calendar year. If you want to be super precise in your observations, the exact time of the 2020 winter solstice will be 10:02 Coordinated Universal Time (UTC) on Monday. Here are some examples of when that will be for local times around the world. Tokyo, 7:02 p.m. Monday. Bangkok, 5:02 p.m. Monday. Dubai, 2:02 p.m. Monday. Rome, 11:02 a.m. Monday. Casablanca, Morocco, 10:02 a.m. Monday, same as UTC. Boston, 5:02 a.m. Monday. Vancouver, 2:02 a.m. Monday. Honolulu, 12:02 a.m. Monday. To check the timing where you live, the website EarthSky has a handy conversion table for your time zone. You might also try the conversion tools at timezoneconverter.com or worldtimeserver.com. What places see and feel the effects of the winter solstice the most? Daylight decreases dramatically the closer you are to the North Pole on December 21st. People in balmy Singapore, just 137 kilometers or 85 miles north of the equator, barely notice the difference, with just 9 less minutes of daylight than they have during the summer solstice. Much higher in latitude, Madrid, Spain, still logs in a respectable 9 hours and 17 minutes of daylight during the winter solstice. The difference is more stark in frigid St. Petersburg, Russia, where the sun will rise at 10 a.m. and set at 3:53 p.m., resulting in less than 6 hours of anemic daylight. Residents of Nome, Alaska, will be even more sunlight deprived with just 3 hours, 54 minutes and 33 seconds of very weak daylight. But that's downright generous compared with Prudhoe Bay, Alaska. It sits inside the Arctic Circle and won't see a single ray of daylight.